Hey everyone! Today we're learning about golf balls. And yes, not all golf balls are the same. Some are built for distance, and some are made for control and spin.
Let's start with how golf balls are built. A two-piece ball has a big solid core and a thick cover. It goes far, lasts long, and is perfect for beginners. But multi-layer balls have 3 or more layers. They feel softer, spin more, and help you control your shots around the green.
Now let's look at performance types. Distance balls are usually two-piece and help you hit the ball farther. Soft or control balls give you better feel and spin. And tour balls use 4 or 5 layers to balance distance and precision for skilled players. So beginners usually do best with two-piece distance balls. Improving golfers use 3-layer control balls, and competitive players prefer 4 or 5-layer tour balls.
Choosing the right golf ball isn't about being fancy. It's about making the game more fun, more comfortable, and more confident. Pick the ball that matches your game and let your passion grow.
Thanks for watching Golf Buddies by GOLFFLOG. If this video helped you enjoy golf a little more, please hit subscribe, give us a like, and follow us for more fun and easy golf tips. Let's grow our passion in golf together. See you next time.